take flavor up. So in our previous video, we discussed about how to make your post very clean and very informative in your global market news website. Now, these are some of the bullet points we enumerated, which are the very key points that will help anybody that want to grow his or her blog. These are those things you need to know. And the other thing, this one comes before this one. Say you must have at least one H1, H2, sorry, and one H3. You should get H1 and H3. You should include them in your post. It helps to really explain to people that this section is particularly for this one. Yes, I'm reporting for the Naira rise. I've reported, yes, Naira, no, sorry, dollar rise. I've reported, yes, the dollar have risen. It have risen. Then I will now report the causes of the dollar rising. What's attributed to the dollar rising? I will now come and write as a header 2. Under that header 3, I will now come and enumerate those things that made the dollar to rise. Let's say it was a hike in oil or hike in military equipment demand, or hike in anything, or they discovered oil, or they have started doing many things. I'll not discuss it there. Now I will now come and say, to maintain that rise, to prevent it from falling, this is what should be done. It should be that the first one should be enough H2. Understanding H2 is like a header to H3. Whenever you use H2, you don't just use H3 on its own. Always use H3 under a H2 for a better SEO. Once you apply this, your audience will grow. Like rapidly. Your audience will grow. So it is important you pay very close attention to these things. So once I'm done with this one, what I'll do is I'll just save it. I will save it. I'll publish it. I'll update this one and publish it. Once I do that, it will change. But this information will need to be here. So I'll remove them. No. When I go back, another thing for you to do is for a better SEO, you need to go to settings and go to title. This is global news. Let's say you want something else to appear. You can change it here. If you go here, see global news. Blog title. Then go to description. Then describe your blog. You can say flavor global news. Gives you the best updates and news Member group. Bring you the best updates and news in the finance, in the global updating news of global finance markets. Your description should be what your blog is all about. Don't copy somebody's description and pose as yours. Once you do that, you are bringing your blog down. That's number one thing to note. Once you do, you save it. Because my network is bad. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope to see you more on this our channel. Tech Flavor